Dear friends, dear colleagues from Christian Democratic People's Party of Moldova, my dear friend Yuri Roshka, I know that you are coming to a very crucial moment in the history of Moldova, to parliamentary elections. I would like to wish all the best success to the whole nation of Moldova, to Christian Democrat People's Party of Moldova, personally to Yuri Roshka. I am sure that Moldovan people need to have a better government, the government which has a clear ideology, the government which has clear values, and the best way is to have the government which is based on the values of European People's Party, the values which we all together share in the family of European People's Party. I know Yuri Roshka for a long period of time. I trust Yuri Roshka, I trust the party of Christian Democrats of Moldova under the leadership of Yuri Roshka. And I would like to ask people of Moldova to trust in the same way the brilliant leadership of Yuri Roshka and brilliant people from Christian Democratic People's Party of Moldova. I would like to wish all the success to Moldovan people making a strong choice in going towards more deep and more broad integration with the European Union. And the party of Christian Democrats of Moldova is the best choice to have a good leadership in this not an easy but a very important and very strong way. Good luck.